guys, it's Sia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you 5 easy, healthy and delicious breakfast ideas. These breakfast ideas are great when you're on the go. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and like. And without further ado, let's get into this video. To make this avocado and egg toast, start off by cracking your eggs. Now add a little bit of oil onto your pan and cook your eggs sunny side up, but remember to add some salt and pepper on your egg. Whilst the eggs are cooking, let's make the avocado sauce. Cut your avocado in half and take the avocado out with a spoon. Once you've taken your avocado out, mash it with a fork until it's smooth. And add a little bit of salt and pepper. Now the next step is optional, but if you're like me and like your bread to be nice and crispy, then toast your bread. And finally, add an equal amount of avocado sauce on top of your toasted bread and then top it up with a lovely sunny side up egg. This breakfast is great because it has avocado in it, and avocado has good fats, and on the other hand it has egg in it, and egg is high in protein and many other different vitamins and minerals. And there you go, that's how you make a lovely and healthy avocado and egg toast. To make the summer smoothie bowl, start off by adding your frozen berries to a blender. Now add your banana, a teaspoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, rich in antioxidants, and they provide fiber, iron and calcium. Then finally add your coconut yogurt and honey. Then mix it all together in a blender. Then once you have blended the smoothie, cut your favorite fruits. For example, today I'm using some strawberries, a banana and some blueberries. Finally, pour your smoothie into a bowl and add your fruits. You can also add some seeds or nuts on top. Spread around a teaspoon of peanut butter on each rice cake. Then slice your banana into thin slices and then put them on top of your rice cakes. And finally, sprinkle some cinnamon on top. Start off by adding 1/4 cup of oats into a jar. Then add almond milk, Greek-style yogurt and chia seeds. In this recipe you can use any type of milk, but I prefer almond milk. Almond milk is great because it has a natural source of vitamin E and protects you from free radical damage. Then add 2 teaspoons of honey, Now add some strawberries, blueberries, a banana and add them to your mixture. Now put the lid on the jar and give it a shake. Once you've taken out your overnight oats out of the fridge, add some berries, yogurt and honey on top to make it look pretty. And look at that, cute, healthy and easy. To make these healthy pancakes, start off by adding 1/2 cup of oat flour and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. In this recipe I use oat flour because oat flour is gluten-free and rich in antioxidants. Then add your milk, egg and maple syrup to your mixture. Once you've added all of the ingredients, put your lid on and let the blender mix all of your ingredients. Now spread a little bit of low-fat butter across your pan. Then add around 3 teaspoons of pancake mixture to your pan. Finally, top your pancakes with some fruits and maple syrup. And that's all of my healthy breakfast ideas. I hope you enjoyed them and will make one of them. Bye! See you soon!